Welcome to our exploration of the 7 most beautiful castles to visit in Czechia. These stunning fortresses, scattered across Czechia's enchanting landscapes, showcase the country's rich architectural heritage and historical intrigue. From the imposing Gothic structures to the elegant Renaissance palaces, each castle invites you to delve into centuries of royal history and cultural significance. Join us as we journey through these iconic landmarks, where every turret and courtyard tells a story of knights, nobility, and the enduring spirit of Czechia. Whether you're captivated by medieval fortifications or enchanted by opulent interiors, these castles promise an unforgettable glimpse into the past. Prepare to be awe-inspired by their beauty and immersed in the charm of Czech history, as we explore the wonders of the 7 most beautiful castles to visit in Czechia. Number 7. Hluboká. Tucked away amidst the serene landscapes of Moravian Silesia, Hluboká emerges as a timeless symbol of Czechia's medieval heritage. This captivating castle, with its ancient walls and enduring charm, invites visitors to embark on a journey through centuries of history and cultural splendor. Explore the castle's labyrinthine corridors and ascend its formidable battlements, where Gothic and Renaissance architecture intertwine in a stunning display of craftsmanship. Each archway and turret whispers tales of knights and noble deeds, painting a vivid portrait of life within these storied walls. Step inside to discover the castle's inner sanctum, where lavishly furnished chambers and grand halls await. Admire the exquisite period furnishings and intricate details that offer a glimpse into the opulence of bygone eras. The castle's museum enriches the experience further, showcasing artifacts that illuminate the region's vibrant history and the castle's pivotal role within it. Outside, the castle grounds beckon with peaceful gardens and expansive courtyards, offering panoramic views of the picturesque Moravian countryside. Nearby hiking trails wind through verdant forests and rolling hills, inviting exploration and providing moments of tranquility amidst nature's beauty. A visit to Hluboká promises not just a glimpse into history, but an immersive journey into the soul of Czech culture. Whether you're drawn by architectural marvels, fascinated by tales of knights, or simply seeking solace in scenic landscapes, Hluboká offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Number 6. Hluboká Castle. Perched like a fairytale vision atop a verdant hillside, Hluboká Castle commands attention with its picturesque beauty and rich historical allure. Rising proudly above the winding Vltava River, this architectural gem is often likened to a bohemian marvel, enticing visitors from near and far to explore its grandeur. Step into a realm where history and elegance converge seamlessly. Wander through halls adorned with intricate Gothic and Renaissance decor, each chamber echoing tales of noble lineage and cultural heritage. The castle's interiors boast opulent furnishings, intricate tapestries, and a remarkable collection of art and artifacts that offer a glimpse into centuries past. The castle's sprawling gardens, designed in the English Romantic style, beckon with pathways lined by vibrant blooms and tranquil ponds mirroring the castle's reflection. A leisurely stroll here promises serenity amidst the splendorous surroundings. Ascend the castle tower for breathtaking panoramic views, where the lush greenery of South Bohemia unfolds before you in all its glory. Whether you're captivated by architectural marvels, enchanted by historical narratives, or simply seeking natural beauty, Hluboká Castle promises an unforgettable journey through the heart of Czech culture and heritage. Number 5. Bozo Castle. Hidden among the rolling hills of Moravia like a gem waiting to be discovered, Bozo Castle beckons adventurers and history enthusiasts alike. This enchanting fortress, with its rugged stone walls and towering turrets, invites you to step into a world of medieval splendor and intrigue. Explore the labyrinthine corridors and chambers that echo with tales of knights and noble lords. Marvel at the intricate Gothic architecture and Renaissance details that adorn the castle's interior, from ornate ceilings to majestic courtyards. Don't miss the castle's chapel, where vibrant stained glass windows illuminate centuries of spiritual devotion. Climb the castle towers for breathtaking views of the Moravian countryside, where fields stretch as far as the eye can see. Wander through the castle grounds, where tranquil gardens offer a serene retreat amidst historical grandeur. For those seeking adventure, nearby hiking trails lead through picturesque landscapes, perfect for exploring the natural beauty of the region. As evening falls, Bozo Castle takes on a magical aura, casting shadows that whisper tales of a storied past. A visit to Bozo Castle is not just a journey through history, it's an opportunity to immerse yourself in the captivating heritage of Czechia. Whether you're captivated by architecture, enchanted by tales of knights, or simply drawn to scenic beauty, Bozo Castle promises an unforgettable experience. Number 4. Karlštejn Castle. Rising majestically from the dense forests near Prague, Karlštejn Castle is a beacon of medieval splendor and royal heritage. Built in the 14th century by Emperor Charles IV, this Gothic fortress was originally designed to safeguard the crown jewels and holy relics of the Roman Empire. Begin your visit by walking up the scenic path leading to the castle, where the imposing structure gradually comes into view. Explore the castle's richly decorated interiors, where historical artifacts and intricate frescoes narrate the stories of its regal past. The Chapel of the Holy Cross, adorned with semi-precious stones and gold, is a highlight not to be missed. Outside, the castle's courtyards offer breathtaking views of the surrounding Bohemian countryside. For those who enjoy hiking, nearby trails provide a perfect way to experience the natural beauty of the area while reflecting on the castle's historical significance. Karlštejn Castle is more than just an architectural marvel, it's a journey into the heart of Czech history. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply a lover of stunning landscapes, a visit to Karlštejn Castle is an essential experience when exploring Czechia. Number 3. Czerń Castle. Perched high above the lush Moravian countryside, Czerń Castle is a stunning example of medieval fortification. This Gothic gem, often called the Marble Castle, is renowned for its well-preserved architecture and intricate stonework. As you approach, the castle's imposing towers and thick walls transport you back to the 13th century, a testament to its enduring strength and beauty. Explore the labyrinthine corridors and discover hidden chambers, where tales of knights and nobility come alive. Marvel at the richly decorated rooms, each filled with historical artifacts that tell the story of the castle's storied past. Don't miss the Grand Knights Hall, where opulent feasts and important gatherings once took place. The castle's chapel, with its beautiful frescoes, is another highlight not to be missed. Outside, the castle grounds offer breathtaking views of the surrounding forests and hills. Take a leisurely stroll through the gardens, where you can relax and enjoy the serene landscape. For the adventurous, the nearby hiking trails provide a perfect opportunity to experience the natural beauty of the region. A visit to Karlštejn Castle is more than a step back in time. It's a journey into the heart of Czech history and legend. The castle's unique charm and historical significance make it a must-see destination for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in the rich heritage of Czechia. Number 2. Český Krumlov Castle. Overlooking the picturesque town of Český Krumlov, Český Krumlov Castle is a splendid example of Renaissance and Baroque architecture. Perched above the winding Vltava River, this UNESCO World Heritage Site enchants visitors with its fairy tale beauty and rich history dating back to the 13th century. Begin your exploration in the grand castle courtyards, each with unique architectural features and historical significance. The stunning Renaissance Hall, with its intricate frescoes and ornate decorations, offers a glimpse into the opulence of the castle's past. Don't miss the castle's Baroque theatre, one of the best preserved of its kind in Europe, where you can marvel at the original stage machinery and scenery. Venture up the castle tower for breathtaking panoramic views of the red-roofed town below and the meandering Vltava River. The castle gardens, with their meticulously maintained terraces and fountains, provide a serene escape and a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll. The castle complex also hosts various cultural events and festivals throughout the year, offering visitors a vibrant and immersive experience. A visit to Český Krumlov Castle is more than a journey through history, it's a step into a living storybook, making it an essential destination for any traveler to Czechia. Number 1. Prague Castle. Dominating the skyline of the Czech capital, Prague Castle is the largest ancient castle complex in the world. This iconic landmark, perched above the Vltava River, is a treasure trove of architectural marvels and historical significance. Dating back to the 9th century, the castle has evolved over the centuries, blending Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles. Begin your visit at St. Vitus Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece, with its soaring spires and stunning stained glass windows. Inside, the cathedral houses the tombs of Bohemian kings and Holy Roman emperors. Next, wander through the old royal palace, where the Vladislav Hall's grand vaulted ceiling will leave you in awe. Don't miss the enchanting Golden Lane, a quaint street lined with colorful houses that once housed castle guards and goldsmiths. Each house tells a unique story, providing a glimpse into the lives of its former inhabitants. The picturesque gardens surrounding the castle offer a peaceful retreat with panoramic views of Prague's red rooftops and spires. As you explore Prague Castle, you'll uncover layers of history and culture, from ancient legends to the Velvet Revolution. This magnificent complex is not just a symbol of Czech heritage, but a vibrant piece of living history. Visiting Prague Castle is an essential experience for any traveler looking to delve deep into the soul of this enchanting city. We do hope you enjoyed our journey to the 7 most beautiful castles to visit in Czechia. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok and Threads. Visit www.scenicHunter.com for more details. Don't forget to subscribe to the Scenic Hunter for another exciting adventurous journey. Until then, it's goodbye from us.